What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So, interest is picking up in Shiba Inu over in the EU. Now, let's get straight into this. The cryptocurrency market faced its worst crash last week as Bitcoin slipped below the 29,000 mark. Add to its woes, Terra UST and Luna plummeted to zero, dramatically falling to straight 100%. The crash was unlikely anything in the crypto sphere witnessed in recent history and sent shockwaves highlighting that not everything labeled stable is indeed stable. Investors are making use of the recent dips by accumulating more cryptos, and one such token that saw a rise in the number of holders is Shiba Inu. In just a week, more than 15,000 new holders entered the SHIB fold as its price headed south. So what does that mean? That means people are buying the dip. People are taking advantage of these prices that we're seeing right now. Now, granted, the overall market is red, but for people who are bullish on cryptocurrency, who believe in cryptocurrency will be at a higher price than it is now in the next 5 years, those people are buying. Of course, if you're not bullish on crypto, it would make sense for you to buy because you'll only give yourself more fear, more panic as the market corrects. But for those who are long term, this is nothing more than another buying opportunity. I'm adding to my positions here. Now, one thing we want to take a look at is Bitcoin, because where the head goes, the body will follow. So it looks like Bitcoin wants to pull back down to around this 25 level. Now, if we take a look overall at our fib retracement, the price has dropped below this 61.8% level from our all-time highs. What does that signify? That lets us know, which from that breakout to our all-time highs, that lets us know that basically the price has flipped bearish. Now, I was hoping when we see right here, where we see it tested this line of that 32-ish thousand, when it tested that, if we could have broke above that and fought our way back to, back to at least that 50% level at around 38,000, which we were having a rough time, around that 35 level, even hitting that. So if we could have fought back to that level, we could have flipped it. But right now, the trend is your friend, so you want to look at the prices moving in the direction of the overall trend. So if we step out, look at the trend from the all-time highs. The price is in a downtrend right now. It fell below this key support level at the 61.8% range, which would have been, that major key support level, which it broke it. We looked for it to retest it and break back above it, but it tested and failed and went back down. Now we're kind of stuck in this 29-30 range right now. I believe we will see the price continue to pull back around to that 25 range in the meantime, in the near time. Now, does that mean this is guaranteed to happen? No, this is not financial advice. I don't have a crystal ball here. I'm just looking at the technical aspects. Look at this right here so you can see what I'm looking at. I'm looking at our lower Bollinger Band. Normally the price taps that lower Bollinger Band before it reverses. So if you see, that's around the 25.8 level. Now also, I'm looking at other indicators. I'm looking at our RSI. Yes, Bitcoin is oversold, but we just had a major shock in the market. Normally when it's oversold, we can expect a quick rebound, but when Bitcoin is this oversold, that's letting us know something more serious is at hand. Also, looking at the MACD, it looks like it wants to try to flip, but it hasn't yet crossed that signal line. So we're still waiting for other confirmations before we can just say, okay, things are going back to, where we just seen them at, moving back upwards. So I just want y'all to pay attention to that. Also, let's take a look at a few other prices. We got ETH at the $2,000 level right now, BNB holding 300, Cardano 56 cents, Solana $54, Doge 8 cent, almost 9 cent, Polkadot $10 right now, Tron at 69 or 6 cent, and we got SHIB at that 12 level right now. We were able to grab some at that 12 level first when we first caught that first dip, and then we seen it go up to around 14, then we seen it pull back to 11 again, and that's where we got some more. So you got to look at the key support and resistance levels and kind of just peck away at it as it, dips into the territory that you want to buy at. Remember, don't chase, allow the price to come back to you. Pick an entry, and if the price doesn't come there, then if it breaks above like that level of market structure that we're seeing, then you just reestablish new key supports and entries that you'll potentially want to take. So hopefully this video is helpful. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit that thumbs up, like button if you like this information, and that's all we got. We are out.